Well, the birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. In fact, there's nothing like her before. The rig blew up, it sank to the bottom of the Gulf. Don't know about you, but I've had enough, yeah. And the birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No, the birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No, the birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No, they don't now. The birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. Why should so many die at the hands of ego, greed, and politics? We've infested this planet like a bad disease, but now the earth's gonna shake us off like a bunch of fleas. The birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No, they don't know. The birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No, they don't know. The birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No, the birds don't fly on the bayou anymore. No. There's a sleeper cell living in the White House. Been hiding there for so many years. They keep us down, they treat us like we're nothing. Don't know about you, but I've had enough, yeah.